Hey, what's up tube? Willington here and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield today we have the Charge 3 going up against the Pill Plus. As usual, the speakers are 6 feet away from the sound recorder and they are playing at 80% volume. Without wasting any more of your precious time, put your headphones on and let's hear the speakers speak.
Hear it, oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you. Don't hate me cause I get attention. Don't turn me in.
This is my judgment. At low volumes, we are speaking 50 and under, Both these two speakers sound pretty good, and with some songs, I feel like the Pill Plus was doing better, where the Charge 3 sounded like it was a little bit closed, like it was lacking mids and highs, and that's because the Pill Plus has enhanced highs, like the highlight of this speaker is in the highs. That's where they concentrated, so it sounds brighter at lower volumes. But if you crank the volume up, I'm talking 60 and above, the highs on the Pill Plus start becoming noticeable, and by the time you get into the 80s and 90s and 100, they become too much for my taste. To understand what I'm talking about, if you haven't yet, go and watch the real sound test of the Pill Plus. I'll put the link in the description section below and on the screen. Go watch that and that should give you an idea and understanding of what I'm talking about. But surprisingly, the lows stayed pretty much as good as the Charge 3, but they get overdrowned by the highs that are so enhanced. Like, I don't get it. With that said, if you intend to listen to keep the volume not over a half, like 50% and lower, any of these two speakers will do the trick, because they all sound good at that volume. But if you intend to raise the volume into the 80s, the better choice is the Charge 3. It has an overall better balanced sound at all volumes. What did you guys think? I really need to hear from you guys on this one. So drop me a comment down below and like the video if you liked it. If you're not a subscriber, I would appreciate your support. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this one again, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.